Hello friends, welcome back to Code Tonight. So in today's video, we will see how you can fix error. Your connection is not private and security authority invalid error. We will see how to fix error when you publish this website on Plesk and how do you fix your SSL certificate for free. So let me show you what we are trying to do here. So we have this Plesk hosting and we have this subdomain here, and when we are trying to run this you can see we are seeing not secure error and we don't have certificate here. So if you face similar situation, what you can do is you can go to your hosting, and this is the subdomain that we are trying to work with. So you have to go to your SSL TLS certificate option. So Plesk actually provides free SSL certificates, so you can use those to bypass that error. So here it is saying that we have not configured any SSL certificate for this domain. So we will first click on this install option, and here it is asking us what we are trying to secure. Okay, so you can select all these items and click on get it free. So some hostings provide the feature to support free SSL certificates, but few hostings doesn't provide that. Okay, so it depends on what hosting you are using, but currently we are using Plesk, and this is basically window hosting and it provides the feature to have free SSL. Okay, so now see what it is saying here is we have to add this DNS record uh, in our website. So how you do that is you open this website domain into new tab, and you have to find your main domain and go to your hosting and DNS section, and here you have to click on DNS. So basically we have to just add whatever is written here. So here you can see it is saying domain name and then the record here. So we will open this, we will click on add new record. In the add record you have to select txt here, and you see it is asking for domain. So you can copy this domain here. So this is our domain. Okay, so we have put, oh, we have to copy again. Okay, so we have copied that name, and then we have to copy the text that is written. So we will copy that here and we will click on OK. So now you have to click on update. Okay, so it is saying it has successfully made the changes. Now you can go and try to reload the website that you were trying to work with. It can take few minutes, like 5 minutes or 10 minutes, to show the effects. And like if it doesn't show the effect right away, then what you are supposed to do is you have to go and basically try to disable the website. And then try to activate again. Oh, we forgot that step. So after adding the DNS, you have to come here and click on continue. Okay. It is going to basically verify that we have added the DNS there. So once you verify that, I mean add the DNS and then you just click here continue. Then it will validate if the record is added and after that it will apply the SSL. Okay, so now you are saying it is secured now. Now if you go and try to search for your website. Okay, see now it is not having any error and saying connection is secure. So this is how you can apply free certificate and how you can fix the error in your Plesk. So thank you guys.